search for happiness has never ended, but the gates of Eden will ever be closed for those conquistadors who are only hungry for power and might. Because the real El Dorado isn't made out of diamonds and gold. It's the immortal yearning for peace, love, and understanding in the hearts of everyone. Dust and wind and heat, since 14 days in the murdering sun of the Sierra Nevada. No rain, no water, no food. We are prisoners in the melting pot of hell. Oh God, help us! Rain, rain, rain. Serenade, should it be your love now? The night is cold, a million stars in the sky. The fire we sit all around will surely die. The hopes and the dreams will finally be gone with the wind. Another day of fear, another night of tears. I close my eyes and start to dream. Way back in history, there was a time when man was still discovering our world. They sailed the seven seas, took what they'd find, and be a welcome hero in their land. And they believed it to be good for all mankind. But now we see their way was also blind. Do you remember the Incas of old? Inside the Spaniards so bold. They planned up the temple and took all the gold, and they murdered the king of Feru. They had their way of life, peaceful, serene, and left